In this video, I want to talk about how you can cash out on Trust Wallet. Now to do this, what you need to do is simply go to Trust Wallet, and from in here, we cannot directly cash out, but what we can do is we can send our crypto to one of our accounts on one of the big exchanges like Binance, for an example. So what you want to do is head over to Binance or any other, press on deposit, and usually there will be a receive link, so like receive here. Then what you need to do is press send on your Trust Wallet, select the crypto you want to send, and then send it to the address that it shows you on Binance or whichever platform you're using. Once it has entered on Binance, you can now sell on Binance, and once it's sold, you can directly withdraw to your bank account. So that is how you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.